don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal.
Hey guys, it is KaleeDreams and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm bringing you guys the new from Fashionnova. So if you're interested, let's go. Alright you guys, for my first outfit, I have something that is really like sexy but classy. You know, that's like my favorite look. I feel like I got this dress so that I can go like on a Sunday brunch with my girls or go on like a little date. And I love this dress because it is like off the shoulder and it's stretchy. I got this in a size small. This color is more like a taupey nude color. I would call it like an almond milk. That's what it reminds me of. The color is like an almond milk color, and it has buttons going all the way down. It has more of like a wooden buttons going down, but you don't button the dress. It's just for decoration, and the dress is super stretchy and it goes to the knee. The hem here has more like a ruffled look, so I call it more like a rough edge, and it's around the wrist as well. As you see how it kind of like florals out. It's not like a straight type of hem here, and it's ribbed. Super stretchy, and it has like a little lining in here as well. In the back, you can see that it goes off the shoulders. There's no back out or anything like that, but it's super comfortable to where I can sit down, cross my legs, and have a very feminine look. The shoes that I paired with this was some, I'll say, pointy heel, clear toe shoes. So I don't know if I said that right. So the shoes that I have is clear straps with a nude bottom, and it's pointed, and it's something that I can just slip in and out of, and it's a low heel, and I felt like it matched perfectly with this dress. I feel like it's really super feminine and comfortable. So I thought that this is something that you guys would really like. When I got this dress, it had like a little hole on the side, so I actually had to sew an inch just so that I could cover that hole, and it came like that. You know, every once in a blue moon, Fashionnova will send me something, maybe have a hole in it, or like you'll see like the string. But of course, it's fast fashion, and that's what you get with fast fashion. I will give this an A+ because I really love this, and I just love the simplicity and the sexiness of this. So yeah, I got it in a size small. I'm 5'2", 130 pounds, and this look is really cute. Okay, so the next thing that I'm showing you is this off-white turtleneck, and it has like a puffy sleeve. It is ribbed, and I got this actually in a size medium because, you know, when you have off-white or ribbed material, or if you are buying from a website that has fast fashion, which Fashionnova is, most of the time it has like a sheer look. So I got something medium so that it wouldn't cling too much to my body. So one thing is that like if you wear makeup, then it can like get on your collar, and I know like sometimes I'll go to the store to buy a dress or something and it's in white or off-white or cream. I'm like, ugh, it got makeup on it because other girls have tried it on and messed it up, and they don't even buy it because they put makeup on it, and makeup is hard to get off on off-white or white clothing. So yeah, this definitely is comfortable. I have room. It goes to my wrist and a little bit longer, so if you have a little bit longer arms, it definitely would fit you. But all I do is just roll it up a little bit. It is warm, and it, you know, goes up like this, but you can cuff it as well. So I just bring it down like this, and it goes right to my hips. But you know, I just paired it with these houndstooth pants, and this makes a great outfit for like a dress or something for work if you want to jazz it up a bit. And I love the pleated shoulders. They had other colors as well. I think they had black, and I think that they had pink, but definitely they had black. So got this in a size medium. I'm comfortable with this size, especially because I try to find things that, you know, are also versatile for work as well. So I'm just letting you see what it looks like. It has a little puffy sleeve, giving you little princess vibes. A bodysuit that is in the color black, and it is a scoop neck, and I got this in a size small. It is ribbed and very stretchy. So as you guys know, I usually will wear a medium, but I've been losing weight, and so now I can fit into a small, and this is really comfortable. And like, I don't know, I can pair this with some jeans or a skirt, and it fits around the butt. It's not a thong one. It just goes around here, and it's super comfortable. I really love it. It's comfortable. I can wear it with jeans or a skirt. And, you know, to be honest, whenever I get the bodysuits that have a thong in it, I really don't like that, but I can appreciate it because whenever you're wearing a dress, you don't want that line. So, like, if you're getting a bodysuit and it covers the whole butt, sometimes it's best to have that as something that you would wear with jeans. But then if you get the thong one, that's something that's really good to wear with skirts because it won't see through and have that panty line, or the panty line that the bodysuit gives as the illusion. So this is something that I could wear to work with a dress or with a pantsuit, anything like that. And I feel like it is super comfortable and stylish, and something that's like a basic or everyday wear. Okay, so the other thing that I got is a black pencil skirt. All you do is put it on and then zip the side and tie this. This part doesn't come apart. It's already secured on here, and all you do is zip it or unzip it from the side right here, and you tie this. I got this skirt in a size medium because this is the skirt that I would like wear to work or have more of a professional, classy look. This skirt is, you know, in a regular material, but the band right here is more like a silk material, and you just tie it around here. And I wanted to get the medium so that I can have room. When I'm at work, I don't want to have too tight of clothing on, just because of the position that I have. I try to keep it a little bit more professional, and so I know I'm wearing black on black, but just so that you can see how it looks. And I love this skirt because it has like, it goes to your knee, but this part goes a little bit lower, so it gives it a little bit of dimension. It is high-waisted, and it fits really nice. You know, if you guys are looking for something where you want something to have a little bit more professional, stylish look, then this is something that you want. It's easy to put on. It's super comfortable. It actually has a stretch to it. Whenever I bend my knees, I'm going to show you right here that it does have a stretch to it. Because some materials, especially like pencil skirts, don't have that material. But I am glad that I didn't get it in a small. But I still have, you know, a little bit of hips here to hold it, and it still fits good. And I love the stretch. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, this is perfect. Okay, so I got a pink ribbed midi dress. Well, is it a midi dress? I don't know. It goes to my ankles. It is a really pretty pink color. Pink is my favorite, one of my favorite colors, because I like black too. but I decided to get this because I had this in a rust color and I also want it in pink, and I just feel like this is one of those brunch dresses again where you can go on a date or sip your mimosa with this. And I love it because it's like kind of off the shoulder and it looks elegant and cute, and it gives that feminine vibe, and it's stretchy. I got this in a size small. Yes, ladies, I'm in a size small, and it's form-fitting, and I love like a pencil dress. I love dresses that go below the knee. I love dresses that go to the ankle because it's like saying it's sexy but overwhelmingly classy at the same time. Like there's nothing better than seeing a woman in a classy dress and putting off her feminine energy. And I feel like you could pair this with a clutch and wear with pearls or diamonds or one of your favorite jewelry. Some people pair these with sneakers. That's just not really my style. But you know, fashion is its own beast in itself and your own creativity. So, you know, wear it to your liking and how you would wear it. So right now I still have my clear pointed toe heels, but you could wear this dress with, you know, tie up your ankle type of heels, and I feel like that would look good too, especially with like ankle strap heels. So I wanted to show you this look in the pink. Form-fitting, classic, and stylish. I'm feeling a little bit like Marilyn Monroe. The end of my Fashionnova haul for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.
I don't care. Oh, oh, oh.